In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to delete a bank account 5 minutes. We'll move through the process from logging in to confirming the deletion, and I'll add helpful context so you know what to expect and what to watch out for. Start by signing into your Xero account. On the Xero homepage, choose Login, then enter your email and password, and select Login again to continue. Make sure you're using the correct organization if your login has access to more than one. You'll land on the Xero dashboard, which is your home base for everything that follows. From the dashboard, move to the accounting menu at the top. Open that menu and choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all your ledger accounts live, including bank accounts, expense accounts, revenue accounts, and more. We're focusing on a bank account you no longer need. In the chart of accounts list, locate the bank account you want to delete. Take a moment to double check the name and code so you're working with the right account. When you're sure, click delete next to that account. Xero will prompt you to confirm. Review the message, and if everything looks right, select OK to confirm the deletion. A quick but important note, the delete option may be unavailable if the account has been used in transactions, has a balance, is included in a locked period, or is referenced in settings such as default accounts or bank rules. In those cases, Xero prevents deletion to protect your data integrity. If you encounter this, it simply means you'll need to resolve those links or entries before the delete button becomes available. Also, make sure you have the appropriate user permissions in Xero. If you don't see the chart of accounts or the delete option, you may need to ask an administrator or advisor level user to handle it. Once you've confirmed and the account is deleted, it will no longer appear in your chart of accounts and it won't be available for coding future transactions. This helps keep your ledger tidy and reduces the chance of posting to an account that's no longer in use. If your goal is just to stop using an account but keep its history intact, consider whether removal is necessary or whether you simply want to ensure it's not used going forward. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to the chart of accounts, selected the bank account, and confirmed the deletion. If you found this helpful, follow the same flow for any other unneeded bank accounts and always review carefully before confirming.